Hello, fellow citizens. I speak to you on a matter that has the potential to reshape our justice delivery system, confidence in our judiciary, and the future of our democracy altogether. The attempt to reintroduce tribunals into Ghana's judicial system. Last week, Parliament passed the Tribunals Bill 2026. The mandatory one-day interval between the consideration stage and the third reading was waived so that the bill could be passed on the same day. The minority's objections were voted down. Organized labor objected loudly and publicly, but was ignored. The bill will soon be transmitted to the President for his assent. I have one respectful request of President Mahama. Mr. President, do not assent to this bill. Pause and let the nation ponder and deliberate on this very important matter. This is not a partisan request. The Trades Union Congress, the voice of millions of Ghanaian workers, has called for the bill to be withdrawn altogether, warning that in its current form, it could become a potent tool for weaponizing justice delivery. Those are the words of Ghanaian workers, not of any political party. Consider also the government's own process. The President established the Constitution Review Committee, and it reported last December. This committee recommended removing regional tribunals from the Constitution because the High Court has long carried their caseload. Yet, the report of the committee has not been published. Before the nation has even read it, Parliament has rushed through and legislated in the opposite direction. Mr. President, publish the report first. Above all, Mr. President, reflect on the historical antecedents of the public tribunal system. Under this bill, panels that include persons who are not lawyers may sit in judgment over criminal matters. Ghanaians remember tribunals, and we remember what was done in their name. Our courts are congested, yes, but the answer to congested courts is to strengthen the courts, more judges, more courtrooms, and digitized processes. It is not to build a second system of justice. Mr. President, your government commands one of the largest majorities in the history of the Fourth Republic. With such numbers, Parliament can pass almost any bill it wishes. Not everything that can be passed should be passed. The larger the majority, the greater the duty of restraint. History will not ask how many votes a law received. It will ask whether the law is just, equitable, and seeks to promote and protect the interests of Ghanaians. My call is therefore simple and constructive. Withhold your assent. Convene genuine national engagement. Invite the Ghana Bar Association and other lawyers groups, organized labor, civil society, and the political parties, including my own. We will come in good faith and consult the judiciary itself, the institution that must live with whatever Parliament creates. Justice belongs to no government and no party. It belongs to the Ghanaian people. And a law that reshapes the architecture of justice should rest on national consensus, not on head count. Mr. President, the pen is in your hand. Use it not to assent to this bill, but write an invitation to the nation through the Council of State in accordance with Articles 90 and 106 of the 1992 Constitution. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. Thank you.
So, minute, I don't know Kubuko to be Subuka and Japan. Some media told me on the prime Mr. Border. Yeah. And the young be air Akubuko to get so good. You were Canadian. And you all film my eye.
I was in Smart Ghana update. You didn't come announce all the comments about our comment session on that. Chairman Kosinti, as you say, a former chairman, and so you're chairman Kosinti of MPP. What you say on our work in Japan, MPP Penifone Bia, and your madrin say, only one more, encounter, a become pa, no, nya, go bunko to get, Nanko Pana Chow, if you say, Omuhiano pa, in Tinbra, Yaba, you be dinkomo.
Yemubi, Yemilidi, you bet not train, Canadian call for now, Sabio, a people. So, minute, I don't know Kubuko to be Subuka and Japan. Some media told me on the prime Mr. Border. Yeah. And the young be air Akubuko to get so good. You were Canadian. And you all film my eye. Tell your politician. Me not me catch. I didn't the politician. I don't call loose game. I said, did you be obeying who said, did you actually? Now, so did you Ebia on JB and Koy, Yansha and Koy. Then they say, and it's a Kennedy decided to say, or what is actually, or no on your campaign, or no on fund this camera, Abraham. Now, your political party, so we have fancy dressing, like I said, I feel a political power. Power also with any power. Yeah, and the power 50% plus one vote, the one vote to cry account. Now, you can imagine baby. Any power show. Now, but party, now to be my power there. Some of us will be any zoo. I didn't get it from Kate Yunkro. Yaba Niasa. So, a child partner says, Yapa, may not do Yabacho. Yabakudum, I mean to me, you might say, you were about the end of the hour. Okay. Which Abaku come away and Miami party, me people, and not to call it a seal for me. A teddy bar, Obecano. Okay. A woman also, and you MPP, and you'll be personal property. You share with us. What has any other letters Buano to me where you money there? And show this in the bit of Twaba. I decided near Mufayamra, near the Pacho, and you do a chopper. Yafumu, Umvanchaye, Yanka party anymore. Then people know I got you for the doors and Yansa for the doors. The closer Yansano, Pasianim, the Chronic Group, and the two MPP, you need by a meeting in the office. Sadly, everyone pile. Yana Mecana, Sasima Mojo, GBC, Miana, believe me a G. I'm the side the by. Many you are rejected my young conflict, a train from my Danaka. Obedient to me, Uncle Mobile, a better. It means a side Jumano, Mr. Cosintinaso. Because any pie because will be from our civil fear. No, so I'm is here to do. Obian will bet my cat MPP by when you be a grand film. Name any party, no. And this is so good. Come part of this. Men save MPP. And yes, I'm on the save MPP. Sankamansi woman. Some use your Trabana Yim, and Banana the Chelsea, as a beautiful. Maniska. Oh, Maniska. A canon namedy or bank, and he were Kennedy, could be my bank and mammy. Canada Japan, a trio half the mouth. Dana, Omokoto, parliamentary speaker, Abana, Obukonto to go on. But Ohana go back 12, and you were Kennedy frame. Send me away, and I'm so look myself, no, some fight him now. Let me fight to call to be called not over your parliament, no other. Because I bear 2 hours, no sorry by. Whom you know, and you ever. Oh, let me call you Masam Crow. Or say Masam Yania. Me in your party, the castle for mammy. Me, Masam Yania. Some me free or tell me history, me feel which the Babasha party, no, see, I need this, Dimi. To Busam, Osabusam, the castle. On Obanyano, Casa, Busam Cosam Chilemuchileno. I'm saying, me bounce of me, and because a band of person for me. Like Chinam Namida, Yabum Jinamidawa, me one a gigabia. Minisi Canibia, me, mammy, grandma, but you back, Mazi. So, to me, me, man, maniacal to tell me, let me free you as I'm Grawi. When a better home. Almost a person of former government. Now, with the car crying, I'm crying the car, but crash you up. Now, end day. Panocha, no, resign. I'm trying let them go me and demand it. We'll be like your mammy. na ga medima Kennedy say sa no ono so ka dia menu apanyin so no nso ni nti aya ase on sa abletufo no na me twa letter no e de ma o mo se ma resign e bu resign papa ni bonani no usu na ja o twa check mame o say nam dia dansu wa bank for ka first bank wa bank so me ya first bank dine no so be ministry ya o twa parliament order o twa mo mu bu bek wa nam de fa o ma driver some of our the cotton take can I can't go to now. You can't go to Jimmy. What the chairman? Which I make.
Jack, any como chairman Kosinti in Sema Oken, Seonaboke in Japan, Seonimwa, Omobelus, no, Ubechim was saying. And I say, oh, yeah, overestimation.
Oh, many by because politics there just one number, and that's a one person crown, and now one vote crown, I dare say counted pa. Just and they cry on me chairman Sabunzo, our person watch say Alan Coyeno, I dare say a high MPP for pa. Just would chimwa. Alan in your bear 33,000. 33,000 was it during 2008, while Brandon and the Danquaco for the Gina. Now I dare say, oh, here 27,000 and Uncle dear Winnie Abana a monetary or the call run of NDC at a mill said the Winnie. Artists is saying which one Alan Crano 33,000 no crano, and yet, sir, a true reflection of Abano Dunya. Artists on no research or say after 2024 elections, or then say, I dare say, a nipa or more friend, no, personally, a catcher and say, I only no support to Alan, no, but Alan Flower film opportunity party in Nadia so quaco. Any other, sir, or say, almost so party for only be a man for from catcher. So so him pa over 2.1 million to send no man to about more. Him pa move 100,000 day. There Alan a supporters others will chill more. Alan train who free MPP party no. I dare say they affect MPP pa. It wunya guru to say Kennedy a compare kwa Japan. Our any numbers are was also nyan during elections, internal elections, flabbership race, onya bear 20 point something. That's also what kind of want to no state neutral or bra one kasa. Definitely no. I dare say how and send ya Akosinti kan or no say what na party no more che. It will be na no say wakasa na is wakasa from experience. And I dare say Kennedy a compare ko Japan ko ba se wo miana no ana say what party nim din no so wankasa. I dare say the supporters ni bi ho no ma although mo MPP for there. Wan hwe no man ko to ama MPP for. Maybe o ko to ama the base for and say even NDC for kra. Esan say or no a preferred candidate the kamia ko say wakana no atum as asembi ewo
na the way atwam abusa say other parties ni bi so other members ni bi of MPP so as on person just second Kennedy amakora na no shaking
o tie mu dia amanfo kapa say ne o kan but yebeka ya proud to 2024 abato no wabra Alan Kojo Chematin train hono. Yabeka similar statement from Mpenifoni Bebre, even regional chairman to say chairman won to me Kotana radio so can the pin say Alan pa onko PBN who BC. And boys no Bebre ya mo MP no can say Alan Chematin onko. But penny to say chairman Sabunzu or no atna say a reflect ye a year research our no kasa ye edit to the Mpenifo so 2 Mpenifo mom ko ye no. I realize who say yes, Alan Kojo Chematin, train who free MPP party name no. No. Enti say nipa na bi as say no na won support to nti no. E bia no ho be we hi. Ubetimi aka che ne say opa wonko, do pe bia opa wonko nko ye. But say abato no ba wi ya na wa okeka ho ma bi bom na ohwe say nka say nipa yi wo ma e bia nka obetimi anya ma 1 2 3 bia ka ho a. E ho na the reality na don ni on you say so because we train ho every party mu a yenye no yodium say ko yemfa ho but opekwan bi so a obetimi ne nakasa a obema nipa na baba dizi me hu say chimensa bonzu tie ne kasa mu a kame akwa say we preach unity togetherness and hard work pa art say ne osire nyina ne say opese whether we support to Brian Kennedy hwan yin wadutwumu or stress obi amra on board art so why na agent say Kennedy Japan kra no mbeje ne ideas ne ideology ni bi na mo de ewura nyoma mo yem art say Alan Kojo Chematin kra na ibusa ne wansem no wo say omuni ne be din kombo but abia answer na nkasa bi free Alan Kojo Chematin ho na aba
Okay, yen share chairman former chairman amika chairman obi be yin say be chairman but we MPP guru ni bia chairman Kosinti ni nsem wo ka say okwa akobu nkotodwe apa honorable Ken Japan achew say eso obu nkotodwe a o share this way no, will it be like a genuine reconciliation or a dangerous culture of personality over party? Ebia as onim no ntina as ebia okopa achew anase ebetimi a genuine apology anka Kennedy betimi agi atum.
You know, I mean, who say a genuine reconciliation or person way no, because edipano also one kasa. And I come here for example, the phone be one so said you go home when the master that I want to mean calling him encoca. Into when you nipa be or no the link in no and our relationship no bit me up on the name, no quack bunko to do no patch. Who knows? Ebiana Canada compare ko Japan, Agiatum. Cause utie chairman Kosintia, Wabra or Casano, no person what say, or no say similar one and the tone or MPP party him. Wabra na say, Kamako so muiness in Chankra. Amana say, as will be intimate calling him conco friend. Obia fa phone so of na no aka say chairman Kosintia yako freni. One her cry wa kwa cancel no kwa no say no. O see two Kennedy a compare ko Japan and a friend no. E man ba Accra parliament. Na Kennedy cross so what that was saying. So sorry buy no see any or dey any su any a chelpa esre ne say obesre ndi asibia on fan tonchen no ntena party nim. Na omutimi inform quorum and I say omutimi inform majority e parliament. And what ase e de man. And the same thing, you know, now banner this time around. I reverse it and as a bear vice versa. Na Kennedy a compare ko Japan no mum na so no so bibi kakra wo ni mu a. It is possible so no so betime issue sa argument na Kennedy e de be ye kire no say on to bibi ankune no nka party ni ho no na won see from na party na somdwe